Hey champs! Welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Social Champs feature Recycle. As soon as you log in to Social Cham, you will land on the content dashboard. Choose Recycle from the second column on the left. Creating a collection is the first step. Click Create New Collection. You will start with the name of the collection. Once done, click Create. To add posts to the collection, click Add Post or Bulk Upload. Click Add Post and start creating a post. You will get a pop-up about your post being successfully added. You can add posts to your collection via bulk upload. Click on the option at the top right corner. You will be redirected to the bulk upload window where you can download a CSV file template and fill it the CSV accordingly. Once done, now upload the CSV file. In the next window, select the posts as per your preference and click Confirm. There you go. All of your posts are now added to the collection using the bulk upload. Clicking on the three dots available at the top right corner, you can access the options like Shuffle Collection, Export CSV Edit Collection. You can also delete and edit individual posts too within the collection. By clicking on the Sort By button, you can search and sort by the posts from newest to oldest and oldest to newest. You can also search for the post by typing the keywords in the search bar. You can create more collections from the top Add Create New Collection. Creating a campaign is the second step. Click Create a Campaign. To create a campaign, click Create News. Add the campaign name. Select the accounts on which you wish to run the campaign. Select the collection to run, or click Create New to create a collection from here. Enable UTM if needed to track. Choose a start and end for the campaign from the provided calendar. Now create time slots. You can create custom time slots or use the suggested time. Click Create Campaign. Once the campaign is created, you will see the toggle enabled and the status mentioned as active. All the information on the running collection and the duration can be verified from here too. Great! Now you know how the Recycle feature works.